New at 6 this Wednesday. Bills that would restrict abortion access are picking up steam at the state capitol this week.
That is true because tonight, Senate Bill 8, known as the Fetal Heartbeat Bill, passed its initial vote in the State House. KETK's Maggie Glenn tells us more about that.
When a beating heart represents a life within a womb, we have a duty to protect that innocent unborn life.
Senate Bill 8 would ban doctors from performing abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected, which can happen as early as 6 weeks into gestation. It would also allow anyone to sue the doctor who performed that abortion. Representative Shelby Slawson said the law would protect unborn children like herself, who doctors said would not develop normally while she was in the womb, but she was carried to term.
That little baby girl is standing in this chamber, her heart beating as strongly and as rapidly as it did all those years ago.
But it's drawing opposition inside and outside the walls of the Capitol.
SB 8, HB 1515 do not serve the nascent lives they claim to protect.
This week, several faith leaders gathered to stand up for the heartbeats of the mothers of the unborn. That includes Dallas Reverend Erica Forbes, who says she didn't have the resources to raise a child as a teenager.
I didn't find out I was pregnant until 8 weeks in. And had I not had the opportunity to get the abortion that I deserve, that is my legal right, my life would have been decimated.
Lawmakers with medical backgrounds argued the fetal heartbeat referenced by the bill isn't scientifically accurate.
The Doppler fetal monitor that has that sound that you gave us a while ago is not actually the sound of a heartbeat, but an amplified version of signals.
Still, the bill passed its initial House vote. In Austin, Maggie Glenn, KETK News.